Hi, I was asked to make a video to show how to make ribbon roses. So here we go. You take a ribbon. This is probably about 12 inches long. Fold it in half. Then you pull the back ribbon out this way. Then you fold the one that you just pulled out, you fold it over the top of the other ribbon, the other half. Then you fold the bottom half over. You have a square, sort of. And then you keep folding over the top, like this, until you get to the end. I hope you can see past my hands. You guys will have to let me know if this helped or not. Maybe I can do other videos. Okay, get to the end. Then right here, there's a little pocket right there. You hold on to it and just let this come out. Then, still holding on to that little area, you pull one of the strings, or one of the ends of the ribbons. Doesn't matter which one. Just pull it, and we have a rose. Then you take the wire and wrap it around the bottom, just once. Take the green ribbon, pinch it together like that, stick it under here, wrap it around, cut that off, do it again, stick it over here, wrap it around, and we have a rose. Then you just trim these ribbons off. And have a rose.